Hey guys, Emotional Patrick here, going to show you guys how to set up a Git repository for your Minecraft client since 80% of hack forums is unable to, and it's really useful for anybody, really. I mean, if you're working with a friend or a team of developers, it's really nice because you can see all the changes and all that jazz, and you can all commit and edit and change all your stuff. And also, if you're doing it by yourself, I would still suggest having it since you can see previous code changes, um, look at how things have changed, improved, all that jazz. So, yeah. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is make a Bitbucket account. You could use GitHub, but GitHub private repositories are you have to pay for them. But on Bitbucket, it's basically the same thing, but you can't have as many members unless you pay for that. But it works basically the same way, and they're both really good. I would suggest either of them. So yeah. Then you're going to want to install Git from git-scm.com and just download that. And once you're ready, just create your repo and fill out the settings accordingly. It'll just be some basic stuff. I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that out. So yeah. Alright, so once you've done installed Git and made your account and created your repository, you're going to want to go to computer, local disk C, users, then whatever user you're on, and then right here you're going to want to create some sort of shell script which you're going to be using later. I'll edit it with Notepad Plus so you can see the source for that, and it'll basically set your directory in git bash to whatever it's set to there. Alright, so that's basically done. Sorry, my bad. Now what we're going to want to do is, since I decompiled the clean Minecraft, you're going to want to follow the steps on here. Oh, my bad. See, it'll set it to that. Then you can do git init, which basically initializes your git. And then you're going to copy this entire command, since I'm sure a lot of you guys aren't going to be typing that out. Pretty long command. So yeah, it will basically initialize your Git repository. Then now you can do git add dot, which basically adds all the files in this directory, the src directory right here, over to there. So basically all the Minecraft stuff. And that'll take a second since it's your first time on Git. And this is the .git folder. Just don't touch this and everything will be fine. So yeah. So once you've done this, you can just kind of ignore this now. Then you want to do git push dash u origin master, and then in quotation marks you're going to want to insert some sort of message like initial commit. Oh, oh my god, that's a fail. My bad. I was thinking of the next step already. So initial commit, that basically says sets your message when you commit, and it will show up. So there we go, going through all the Minecraft classes, and then you can do git push dash u origin master. Then enter your password, and it'll add everything in there, and I'll just wait for a second. And once I refresh the page, this will be changed and it'll show my initial commit, and it'll show everything in here. So see, tutorial, org, all that stuff. The entire Minecraft is all committed into the Git now, and you're ready to start editing your code. So now what you're going to want to do is, well, just for the tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to start committing to the repository. So I'm just gonna open up Eclipse real quick. I would use IntelliJ right now, but Eclipse is much faster just because MCP is already set up with it, and I'm not gonna make a tutorial on how to set up IntelliJ, even though it's fairly easy. But yeah. So while that sets up, I'm going to close out of that and make sure, yeah, alright. So I can go ahead and delete this server folder since I'm not going to be using it. Yeah, alright, so these errors are the Optifine errors since I decompiled with Optifine. And I'll just really quickly just cast them to EntityFX since that's how you fix it if you didn't already know that. And then yeah, that's saved. Alright, so now that that's done, let me just also, just because I'm a OCD child, delete that. That's a memory leak. And all the other stuff that can be fixed later, but this is just showing you how to commit and all that. So now that I'm done with that, you want to enter the following commands: git add dot git commit -m quotation mark fixed Optifine errors. Then it'll say 2 files changed, 3 insertions, 8 deletions. Alright, now you're going to want to do git push -u origin master. Enter your password, and it will add the 2 files. It'll show everything and refresh the page. It'll now, once you click on the commit, it'll show what has been changed. So what I just changed in font render and what I just changed in render global. And yeah, you can add people to your Git repository by make this full screen. You can invite users, so like say I invite myself, Emotional Patrick, admin, read, write. Read access is basically you can't edit the code, all you can do is view it. Write access, you can view it and edit the code. Admin, you can do both, and you can remove people from the repository and all that. So yeah, so I'll give myself write access, and then yeah, so that's how you set up Git. Not really a hard process. I'll have links to Bitbucket and a few. I might add some commands in the description if you guys really want it. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So hope you guys liked the tutorial. Hope it was useful for you. If you have any suggestions, just put it in the comment below. And yeah, Africa, peace.